Look, I'm lazy. I hate clicking out 1,000 keyframes just to get a simple bounce. It's annoying and it takes forever. So I stopped doing it. These three expressions do all the work for me instantly. Seriously, stop wasting your time on the dots and just use this instead. First up is wiggle. This is basically for when a layer looks dead and you are too lazy to animate or shake yourself. Just alt click the property and type this expression. The first number is frequency, or how many times it's going to wiggle or shake, and the second number is amplitude, which is how far or how much it's going to wiggle or shake. It's the quickest way to make a boring static image actually feel alive without you having to touch a single keyframe. Next is time. Use this if you want something to just keep moving forever without you having to touch it. Alt click the stopwatch and type this expression. The 100 is just your speed. If it's too slow, make the number bigger, and if it's too fast, make it smaller. That's literally it. It's way better than dragging keyframes across a timeline. You type it once and finally we have the bounce. If you have ever tried to manually keyframe a realistic bounce, you know it's a total pain in the ass. It never looks quite right. I'm putting the code in the description. Don't even try to read it. Just copy and paste it into your position or scale stopwatch. It takes your last keyframe and just give it that perfect snappy elastic feel. It's the easiest way to make your motion look expensive without actually doing any work.